Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to change your name on SoFi application. If you are looking for a way to change your username on SoFi, then here's how you can easily do it. First of all, open the SoFi app and make sure to log into your account. Once you're signed into your account, from the main home page, tap on the settings icon at the top left-hand corner. Inside the settings menu, tap on your name at the top of the screen. Now enter a new name for yourself that you want to update to and tap on submit. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your display name or your username on SoFi. That's how easily it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.